Political violence has erupted in Tripura ahead of civic body polls. After TMC and CPIM candidates, a Congress candidate has now claimed that she was threatened allegedly by BJP-backed goons. Meenakshi Malakar of Dharmanagar area of North Tripura district has alleged that her house was vandalized by BJP goons and that her family members were threatened. In fact, a video has emerged where the Congress candidate's husband was assaulted allegedly by goons in front of the police personnel while she was narrating her ordeal to journalists outside a police station. This comes even as Supreme Court asked the Tripura government to ensure no political party is prevented from campaigning for local body polls.
আমি হলো চন্দ্রপুরের মেয়ে। চন্দ্রপুরে যদি ভাইরা বোনকে শাসায় তাও নিজের ঘরের বোনকে কি করে রক্ষা করবে? পার্টি করা এটা আগে ব্যাপার, মানে পার্টিটা আমার মেন না নিজের ঘরের বোনকে বাঁচানোটা মেন? মানে ওদের পার্টিতে কি শেখানো হয় যে বোনকে কেটে ফেল, বোনকে মেরে ফেল, মাকে শাসিয়ে ফেল, এগুলো কি ওগুলো শেখানো হয় পার্টি থেকে? আমার তো শেখানো হয় না। সেটাই আমি আপনারা নিজেরাই দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আমার হাসপাতাল কি হচ্ছে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি। আমরা কি
Let me go across to my colleague Arindam for more on this. Arindam, we've seen that the top court has actually said that the government there should ensure that campaigning goes along smoothly ahead of the local body polls. But now we can see almost all the opposition parties there are alleging that they are being threatened.
Yes, that's correct. Municipal elections of Tripura will be held on 25th of November, and ahead of that we are getting reports of massive political violence taking place in the state of Tripura, where there are allegedly harassment, assault and atrocities being carried out by the ruling BJP government there on the opposition parties. In fact, yesterday one of the candidates from Dharmanagar ward number 1 area, she went ahead to file a complaint, an FIR against the BJP government. They are stating that her family members, her relatives, the party workers are being assaulted or harassed by BJP workers. And in fact, we can see in the video clearly when she was standing in front of the police station of Dharmanagar and was giving a statement before the camera. We can see one of the alleged BJP workers coming and assaulting her relatives. So massive political violence have erupted in the state of Tripura ahead of the municipal elections there. In fact, the TMC has moved to the Supreme Court asking that the government should ensure free and fair polls in the state of Tripura for the civic body polls. And the Supreme Court has also passed an order where it has stated that the campaigns should move on smoothly. There should be free and fair polls, violence-free polls. But despite that order, yesterday also we have got reports of incidents of violence taking place in several places of Tripura. In fact, as I mentioned, one of the candidates lodged an FIR at the Dharmanagar police station in North Tripura. Not only the Congress party, it's the TMC as well as the CPIM or the left parties there. They have also raised a similar allegation against the ruling BJP government there that the candidates, the party workers or the relatives are being intimidated or threatened of dire consequences if they go ahead with the civic body polls there, if they file nominations. So there are reports that the opposition party candidates are not being allowed to file their nominations for these elections. In fact, at several booths, so we have got reports that the ruling BJP party there have gone ahead with a walkover because the opposition candidates are not being allowed to file nominations. So massive political violence have erupted in the state of Tripura ahead of the civic body polls there. And in fact, the opposition parties have also moved ahead with filing FIRs at the police station. But as of now, we haven't seen any action being taken from the government side regarding the violence that have broken out in the state of Tripura ahead of the civic body polls.
Right, Arindam, thanks so much for joining us.